Yeah.
Wow, I like your hairstyle, Shireen, and you're looking so cute.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, now we'll do prayer. Okay, everyone, join your hand. Close your eyes. Avishani, close your eyes. Bow your head and start the prayer. Om Bhurvasvaha Tasya Viturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodaya. Om Bhurvasvaha Tasya Viturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodaya. Oh, dear God,
Dear God,
thank you
thank you
for a new day.
for the new day.
Help me
Help me
to be kind and good.
to be kind and good.
God bless me,
God bless me,
my family,
my family,
my friends,
my friends,
teachers,
my teachers,
and everyone.
and everyone.
Amen.
Amen.
Okay, hands down, everyone. Good morning, Manas. Good morning, Satvik. Shivansh, good morning. Okay, Shirin is ready. Okay, everyone stand up. Now we'll do one warm-up dance. Shirin is already ready. Chalo.
Mama, I want to.
You want to go to washroom? Yes, go. Advita, where are you, baby? Wait. We'll do slow and fast warm-up song, okay? Okay, are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes? Say, oh, yes.
Yes.
One more time. Oh,
Yes.
chalo, everyone, be ready, okay? Chalo.
All right, kids. Who's ready for the warm-up song?
Hi, Agani.
Here we go.
Chalo, everyone, run on spot, okay, first?
Run on the spot today.
Slowly.
Run on the spot. Run on the spot. That's it. That's the way. Wave your hand really high. Wave your hand today. Wave your hands really high. That's it. That's the way.
Spin on shuffle.
Spinning really fast. Spin in circles today. Spin in circles really fast. That's it. That's the way.
Very good.
Jump real high. Jump real high. Jump real high today.
Very
Jump
good.
real high.
Jump everyone. Everybody.
That's it. That's the way.
Well
All
done.
right, kids.
Okay, now we'll go faster. Okay, little faster, but
Here we go.
little faster.
Run on the spot, run on the spot, run on the spot today. Run, that's it, that's the way. Wave your today. Wave your hands today. Wave your hands high. That's the way. Spinning circles, spinning circles. That's it, that's the way.
Now jump up high.
Jump real high, really high. Jump real high.
Very nice. Jump up high.
Jump real high, really high. That's the way.
Yay! Very good, everyone. Good job. Well done. Very nice. Okay, sit down, everyone. And clap for yourself. Good job. Very nice. Okay, so what is this? ये क्या है? मैम क्या कर रहे हैं? मैम
Clap.
Okay, so today ma'am is going to tell you about rain clap. Okay, rain clap. ठीक है? What is this?
Rain.
Is this rain or index finger?
Finger.
This is index finger. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे? First we'll clap with our one finger. ऐसे. Okay, everyone do like this. One, then two finger, two, three finger,
Three.
five fingers, and four fingers and five fingers. One finger, two finger, three finger, four fingers, five finger. Okay, and this is how rain falls. Okay, this is how rain falls. First, slowly, little faster, then more faster, and more faster. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Very good. Okay, so this is how rain falls. Okay, एक बार फिर से करें. Shall we do it one more time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. ठीक है, तो ऐसे रेनफॉल करते हैं ना, टिप 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 टिप, है ना? पहले slowly, फिर faster, फिर more faster, right? Very good. Well done, children. Yes.
Slower than very fast.
Yes, slowly, little faster and more faster. Right, Adwaita? Very nice. Okay, so now can I see your homework? Everyone, can I see your homework? Very good, Kyra. Very nice. Very good. Yes, ma'am.
I didn't have the printout, so I have just drawn it in the notebook.
No problem, ma'am.
Honestly.
Wow, very nice, Kyra. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Very good, everyone. Very good, Manas. Very good, Shireen. Very good, Riyansh. I want to see your art and craft book also. Very good, Abhishani. Very nice. Art and craft book. Wow, well done, Riyansh. Very good.
Ma'am, I'm not doing it.
Today.
You haven't finished your work, Manas. Very good, Shireen.
Ma'am, he will do it today. Art and craft, he has finished the English and this
Ma'am,
math.
I'm not done.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Advita. Very good, Abhishani.
I forgot my art and craft homework and my small ABC homework too. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, you have to finish it today. Okay, Advita?
Okay.
All right. Very good, Ishani.
You know,
Now you give it to me.
Okay. So now everyone take out your small cursive letter book, cursive small letter book. Okay, now we have done with the capital letter and small letters, right? Now we are going to learn cursive small letters. ठीक है, अब हम क्या करेंगे? Cursive letters सीखेंगे. Okay, for that you all need to practice more of strokes. ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है? जो basic strokes होते हैं, you have to practice them first. Okay, it will help you to write small letters very easily. Okay, अगर आप basic strokes लर्न करोगे तो क्या होगा? बहुत अच्छे से आप कर्सिव लिख पाओगे. ठीक है, these are basic strokes. Okay, ये क्या है? Basic strokes of cursive letters. ठीक है, and it will help you to write cursive letter very easily. Okay, see children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Priyansh.
It's बहुत tough है.
I know this is very tough, but you have to practice more and more. Okay, जब practice करोगे तो अच्छे से हो जाएगा, and you can do it. I know that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please say what you said because my laptop was hanged, so I was just checking it.
Okay. Kyra, now we are going to learn cursive small letters. Okay, and for that you need to practice basic strokes first. ठीक है, ये क्या है? These are basic strokes of cursive letter. Okay, and it will help you to write cursive letter very easily. ठीक है, अगर हम ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो क्या होगा? बहुत अच्छे से आप कर्सिव लेटर लिख पाओगे. ठीक है, and see children, when we write capital letter and small letter क्या होता है? We move our wrist, है ना? हम क्या करते हैं? अपना wrist को move करते हैं. Like see, if I am writing capital A, first I have to draw slanting line and slipping line also, right? जब हम लोग small letter लिखते हैं तब भी we move our wrist, है ना? Right? But when we write cursive letter, we move our fingers only. Okay? जब हम cursive letter लिखते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? हमें सिर्फ क्या करना है? We have to move our fingers only. ठीक है? See? Okay, this is how we write cursive letter. Cursive letter लिखते time you have to move your fingers. Okay? ठीक है? चलो. Now we'll practice these strokes. Okay, page number 3. Page number 3. Open page number 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kyra. I know you already know everything. Dian, Ojas, do you have this book with you? Dian? Do you have this book? Okay, very good. Ojas, what about you? Advita, come on, do your work. Adhyani is troubling you? Advait, come on, do your work. See, children, when we are writing these strokes, okay, you should not stop in between. आपको बीच में रुकना नहीं है. Okay, you have to write it continuously. ठीक है? Okay. Avi, you have to do page number 3. Page number 3. Yes. I think he has already done it, right?
मैम बस पूछिए, स्पाइरल स्पाइरल सा कर दिया है, कुछ समझ में तो आ नहीं है, बड़ा मेसी सा करा है.
कोई बात नहीं मैम, वो ब्लैंक वाला है ना, उसमें भी यू हैव टू मेक हिम डू.
ओके ओके.
I know this is a bit difficult, but my kids will do. I know you all can do it. Manas, come on, आप भी करो.
Ma'am, I'm making dots for him. It's getting difficult for him.
Update those
All right. Very good, Dian. Very good, Shireen. Well done, Jiansh. Kyra, good job. Very good, Advita.
मैम
Good, Jiansh. Very good.
मैम
Very
रफली
nice.
कर रहे हैं वो, मैम रफली कर रहे
कोई
हैं,
बात
क्लियरली नहीं कर
नहीं,
रहे.
practice will make him do perfect.
ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू.
Come on, Advita. Move your fingers fast, fast. Advait. Very good, Manas. Come on, Manas. Do your work, baby. चलो जल्दी से finish करो. Very good, Shivansh.
मैम
Done, Prince?
मैम 1 लाइन.
Very good, Riyansh. Now you have to finish it. ठीक है, सब complete करना है. Very good, Riyansh. You can do it. Come on, complete it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You only said 1 line or full?
They have to complete full.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shivansh.
It's not completed.
Wow, very nice, Kyra. Very good. Very good, baby.
Thank you,
Beautifully
ma'am.
done. You're welcome, Kyra. Shivan, show me your work. शिवांश, बेबी show me your work. मैम को अपना काम दिखाओ. Show me your book. Wow, very good, Chibi. Well done. Now complete it, okay? Shivansh, I can't hear you because your device is on mute. Very good, very good. Complete it now. Complete karo usko. Come on, complete it. Very good, Ojas. Very good, baby. Manas, sit properly. शिवांश, come on, complete it. Complete करो उसको. Ojas, have you finished your work? Dian? Dian, you are not audible. Nishu ma'am, are you there? Come on, everyone, do it fast. Move your fingers fast, fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
She completed till last one. She's saying I will write later. My finger is pained.
Okay. No problem. Kyra, you can finish it later, okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, children, let's do one thing. Let's do only tracing part. ठीक है, जो tracing वाला है वो करते हैं अभी के लिए. ठीक है, for now we'll do only tracing part. Very good, Shivansh. Very good, Ryansh. Okay. Well done. Very good, Shireen. Very nice. Shivansh, come on, complete it. Come on, children, hurry up, hurry up. Yes, Ojas, you guys are not audible. Dian, Ojas, I can't hear you. Dian, call Nishu ma'am. Nishu ma'am को बुलाओ जल्दी से. Dian, where is Nishu ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kaira.
I done.
Oh, very good. Very good, baby. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Nishu ma'am, Diana and Ojas are trying to speak since so long, but they are not audible. Please check your device. Okay, now they are audible, but there is so much disturbance from that side. Shivansh, come on, complete it. Finish your work. Come on, children. Manas, sit properly and finish your work. Come on, be a good boy. Shireen, what happened? क्या हो गया?
She's finding it difficult.
I know, baby, this is a bit difficult, but you can do it. कोई बात नहीं, practice करेंगे तो हो जाएगा. No need to cry. रोना नहीं है. It's okay. You can do the tracing part only. ठीक है, अभी के लिए सिर्फ tracing वाला करो. I know this is a bit difficult. Okay, okay, no problem. मत करो, अभी रहने दो. Leave it. Shireen, that's okay.
थोड़ी एक्टिविटी आ रही है. शीरीन आने तो मिलके करेंगे.
I know she can do it. Shireen तो इतनी अच्छी बच्ची है ना, कायरा. She can do it, right?
I love Shireen.
Shireen, that's okay, no problem. रहने दो, रोना नहीं है. कोई बात नहीं, बाद में कंप्लीट करना उसको. It's okay. See, everybody is trying, right? सब ट्राई कर रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं. प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो हो जाएगा. Right? And you can do it, I know that. अब अच्छे से कर लोगे. अभी नहीं करना.